time is 1 o'clock now. We're in lobby, waiting for these guys. Well, we're just in lobby. These guys, we're just waiting for them. Join our lobby. It's 1 o'clock. I don't know. He's now online. Just come on. Where is he? Oh, God's sake. He's not even on the game. That's recent players crap. You can see it in the main menu. Piece of fluffy, so invite him. He's already late. You can just come online in this lobby. It's their host. We're allowed. It's their host. We can't. Oh my god, my control's so bad. Oh, no way. They're not inviting us to a game or anything. It's their host. There you see, no invites from them. Clearly forfeit. It's not like one pass to sank, which is forfeit, obviously. Thank you, Clippers. They're not in the lobby, they're not inviting us anywhere. So they forfeit. And you see the lobby, it's not a joinable one, it's just that, so they forfeit. Thank you.